Hey everyone, I wanted to take a quick moment to personally invite you to be a part of something we're really excited about, our summer campaign. My Bike Guard is still in early days, and that's exactly why we need you. We're building a platform that puts your safety first without losing the features of cyclists actually care about, like tracking your rides, your stats, and your progress. But we can't do it alone. We need real riders like you to help us improve and shape what's coming next. So here's the deal. Log 3 rides with my Bike Guard this summer, or join one of our upcoming cycling meetups in Billund or Copenhagen. More about that soon. And just for completing one of those two activities, you'll be entered to win a €100 cycling gift card. It's our way of saying thanks and welcoming you to the community that helps us build the future of safer cycling. Sign up today, start riding smarter and safer with my Bike Guard.